Hi, activity number 3. What I am doing. You are making a great after. She is leaving tomorrow morning. She are building a house. Paul and Jennifer are studying French at university. They are telling what happened yesterday. She is crying because she is hungry. The, the taxi is stopping in that corner. They are buying a new car. She is sleeping in her bedroom. I am watching TV right now.